Welcome back to the channel. Got an update for you for a green bean. All right, for as a project recap, budget green bean blew up the engine. So check back in those other videos to see what I'm talking about. And let's go take a peek at what we got. Ooh, a complete 5.7 liter, yes, LT1. Who says there's not good deals out there? And it fit in the back of a Pathfinder. But the elephant in the room is what to do with this LT1. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. The whole project of Green Bean was to have a cheap build that everybody can do at a reasonable cost. So some of you on Instagram were saying, oh, 383, everything, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff for the engine. And then the other side of you said, what can you get away with rebuilding or refreshing that LT1 that's sitting in the back of my truck right now? So I was like, So the question is for everybody, what do you think? Let me know. Should I do a super budget rebuild with the parts available within that engine, refurbish it, add some of the goodies as far as high performance parts? Or should we go for a full build 383 stroker? Or should we keep the Green Bean project a budget build? So you gotta remember, this boy over here has all the bells and whistles in it. This has a pro-built forged bottom end motor, all that kind of good stuff. And then Green Bean is the fun car. So I don't know. I'm kind of in the debate right now what to do. In the upcoming episodes, we're going to get the motor out of that truck into here. We're going to tear it down and we're going to do a full breakdown of an LT1 engine. Then we're going to go into the rebuild process. Then we're going to go into removing the engine out of that and how we're going to do this in this tiny little garage with the help of the driveway and some ingenuity. Hopefully I can make this work without driving myself too crazy and driving the people that live in this house too crazy, if you know what I mean. I don't know. What do you think? So comment down below